Students, next topic is metal wire. Elements which have properties in between those of metals and non-metals are called metal wires. Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony are the examples of metal wires. What are metal wires? Metal, metal wires are also elements. Metal wires are also elements. They have properties of metal as well as non-metal. Next topic is compound. A compound is a pure substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined together in fixed proportion by mass. A chemical compound cannot be formed by mixing constituent elements. It is formed by chemical reactions only. The properties of compounds are different from those of its constituents. For example, water is a compound. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is a combustible gas and oxygen is supporter of combustion. But water is neither combustible nor support combustion. Components of compound cannot be separated by physical process. Components can be break down into elements by chemical or electrochemical reactions. For example, water can be decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen by the process of electrolysis by passing electricity through water. Now next topic is mixture. Mixture is made up of two or more elements or compounds mixed together in any proportion by mass. Air is an example of mixture. Sugar water solution is an example of mixture. Soft drink is an example of mixture. Vinegar is an example of mixture. Mixtures have variable composition. The composition of mixture is not fixed. For example, you can prepare a mixture of sugar water by adding 1 spoon of sugar in 1 glass of water or 2 spoons of sugar in 1 glass of water, 3 spoons of sugar in 1 glass of water. The composition of mixture is not fixed. The constituent particles of mixtures can be separated by physical process. The constituents of mixture shows its individual property. For example, if you prepare a mixture of sulfur and iron filings, place a magnet to the mixture iron filings will be attracted by the magnet. There are two types of mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures are mixtures which have same composition throughout. Examples of homogeneous mixture: sugar water solution. All the parts of sugar solution are equally sweet. This shows that homogeneous mixture has uniform composition. Air is also homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture are the mixture which have different composition in different parts. Heterogeneous mixture does not have uniform composition throughout. For example, a mixture of chalk and water, mixture of sand and sugar. These are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. Thank you.